Car technology just got insane. We're talking gadgets that solve real problems, save you money, and make driving genuinely better. These 10 devices are absolute game changers, and they're all available right now. ACool, the climate control revolution. First up is a game changer for anyone who's ever stepped into a scorching hot car on a summer day. ACool is an innovative climate control device that transforms how you manage your vehicle's temperature. This smart gadget actively monitors your car's interior temperature and can trigger cooling or ventilation systems remotely before you even get in. Imagine leaving work on a blistering 95-degree day and sliding into a perfectly cooled car instead of an oven on wheels. The system connects to your smartphone, allowing you to activate cooling from anywhere. It's not just about comfort. Extreme heat damages your car's interior over time, cracking dashboards and fading upholstery. ACool helps preserve your vehicle's value while keeping you comfortable. Fobo Tyre, never deal with flat tires again. Tire pressure monitoring just became effortless. Fobo Tyre is a Bluetooth-enabled tire pressure monitoring system that gives you real-time updates directly to your smartphone. These small sensors screw onto your valve stems and continuously track pressure and temperature for each tire. Why does this matter? Underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency by up to 3%, wear out faster, and dramatically increase blowout risk. Fobo Tyre alerts you the instant pressure drops below safe levels, potentially saving you from dangerous highway blowouts or expensive tire replacements. The system works up to 100 meters away, so you can check tire status from inside your house before even starting your car. Installation takes 5 minutes with no tools required, and the batteries last up to 2 years. KMMOTORS Coin Box, the storage solution you didn't know you needed. Here's something brilliantly simple, yet incredibly useful. The KMMOTORS Coin Box is a cleverly designed storage solution that fits perfectly in your car's center console gap. That annoying space between your seats where coins, keys, and phones constantly disappear? This gadget eliminates that problem entirely. Made from premium materials with a sleek design, it slides seamlessly into that dead space and provides organized storage for loose change, toll cards, keys, and small items. The best part? It's designed with a non-slip base and flexible fit that works with most vehicle models. No more fishing around between seats while driving, no more lost items, and no more clutter rolling around your console. It's one of those purchases where you wonder how you ever lived without it. Reviver R-Plate digital license plate, the future of registration. This one sounds like science fiction, but it's completely legal in several states. The Reviver R-Plate is a digital license plate that replaces your traditional metal plate with a high-resolution digital display. Beyond just showing your registration, it can display personalized messages when parked, automatically update registration renewals, and even show a stolen message if your car is taken. The always-on display uses e-ink technology similar to Kindle screens, so it's visible in direct sunlight and uses minimal power. You can manage everything through a smartphone app, including renewal notifications and registration updates without ever visiting the DMV. While the upfront cost is higher than traditional plates, the convenience factor and cool factor are undeniable. It's currently available in California, Arizona, Michigan, and Texas, with more states coming online. Auto Cafe, your personal coffee maker on wheels. For coffee addicts who spend significant time in their vehicles, Auto Cafe is a revelation. This portable coffee maker plugs directly into your car's 12-volt outlet and brews fresh coffee while you drive. No more stopping at overpriced drive-thrus or settling for gas station coffee that tastes like battery acid. The system uses standard coffee pods or ground coffee, heats water to optimal brewing temperature, and delivers a fresh cup in minutes. The insulated design prevents spills even on bumpy roads, and the compact size fits perfectly in most cup holders. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or working on the go, Auto Cafe ensures you always have access to quality coffee. It's also perfect for camping trips or tailgating when you want hot beverages without lugging around bulky equipment. Pneumatic jack. Lifting your car just got effortless. Changing a tire or performing roadside maintenance has always been physically demanding and dangerous with traditional jacks. The pneumatic jack completely revolutionizes this process. This inflatable lifting device slides under your vehicle and inflates using your car's exhaust pressure. No pumping, no cranking, no struggling. Within seconds, it lifts your vehicle safely and evenly, providing stable support for tire changes or inspections. The system can lift up to 4 tons and works on any terrain, including soft ground where traditional jacks would sink. It's especially valuable for elderly drivers, people with physical limitations, or anyone who wants to avoid the back-breaking work of manual jacking. The compact design stores easily in your trunk, and it's virtually impossible to tip over, unlike scissor jacks. This is one of those safety gadgets that you hope you never need, but are incredibly grateful to have when emergencies strike. The Solid Shield, windshield protection that actually works. Windshield damage is one of the most common and annoying car problems, and the Solid Shield addresses it head-on. This advanced windshield protection film creates an invisible barrier that significantly reduces chip and crack damage from road debris. The ultra-thin, optically clear film bonds to your windshield surface without affecting visibility or interfering with wipers. It absorbs impact energy that would normally create chips, extending your windshield's lifespan dramatically. Installation is straightforward for professionals, and once applied, it's virtually undetectable. Considering windshield replacement costs $300 to $1,000 depending on your vehicle, this protection pays for itself the first time it prevents damage. It's particularly valuable if you frequently drive on highways, gravel roads, or in areas with harsh winters where road salt and debris constantly bombard your windshield. ZF Easy Turn, parking revolution for large vehicles. Parallel parking large vehicles or maneuvering in tight spaces has always been challenging, but ZF Easy Turn changes everything. This innovative system allows your vehicle's rear wheels to turn independently, enabling sideways movement and dramatically tighter turning circles. Imagine being able to slide your SUV or truck sideways into a parking space or execute turns that would normally require multiple back and forth adjustments in a single smooth motion. The technology uses advanced electric motors integrated into the rear axle, controlled by intelligent software that coordinates wheel movement. While currently available primarily on high-end vehicles, the technology is rapidly becoming more accessible. For anyone who drives larger vehicles in urban environments, this technology transforms daily parking from a stressful ordeal into an effortless task. TrekSafe LED flares. Emergency visibility that saves lives. Traditional road flares are dangerous, expire quickly, and create environmental hazards. TrekSafe LED flares are the modern solution to roadside emergencies. These bright, waterproof, crush-proof LED warning lights are visible from over a mile away and feature multiple flashing patterns to alert approaching traffic. Each unit is magnetic, allowing you to attach them to your vehicle's body, and they're rechargeable with battery life lasting hours on a single charge. Unlike pyrotechnic flares that burn out in minutes and can't be reused, these LED versions last for years and can be deployed in any weather condition, including rain and snow, where traditional flares fail. Keep a set in your vehicle for breakdowns, accidents, or any situation where you need to warn other drivers. They're also perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor activity where emergency signaling might be necessary. Dashcam Omni, 360-degree protection. Dashcams have become essential for protecting yourself from insurance fraud and documenting accidents, but most only capture the road ahead. The Dashcam Omni takes protection to the next level with 360-degree coverage. This advanced camera system uses multiple high-resolution sensors to record everything happening around your vehicle simultaneously: front, back, sides, and even interior. The footage is invaluable in hit-and-run situations, parking lot incidents, or disputed accidents where determining fault requires complete visual evidence. The system includes GPS tracking, speed logging, and automatic incident detection that saves footage when impacts are detected. Cloud connectivity allows you to access footage remotely, and advanced night vision ensures clear recordings even in complete darkness. With insurance fraud costing drivers billions annually and false accident claims becoming increasingly common, having comprehensive 360-degree documentation isn't just smart, it's essential protection for your financial security. From climate control that welcomes you into a perfectly cooled car to 360-degree dash cams that protect you from fraud, these 10 gadgets represent the best automotive technology available today. They're not gimmicks or unnecessary luxuries. They're practical solutions to real problems that make driving safer, more convenient, and more enjoyable. Whether you're looking to upgrade your daily commuter or equip your vehicle for long road trips, these gadgets deliver genuine value that justifies their cost. Which gadget caught your attention the most? Drop a comment below and let us know what's going in your car next. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews that actually help you make smart purchasing decisions.